So now we've set up our policy for iOS devices, we'll set up a policy for Android devices. So it's a fairly similar process, but there are a couple of differences. So this will be MAM Android devices. We'll go to next. Target all again, just follow it through as we did before on unmanaged devices. You may have AER devices, Android Enterprise ready, so could select that. Again, on the select the public applications. Again, for the purposes of this, we'll go Edge, we'll go Microsoft Teams, we'll go SharePoint, OneDrive, OneNote, and Outlook. Okay, select those applications. There's no custom applications on this policy. We'll follow again the same principles that we did before, so we'll block send all data to other apps, policy managed apps only, save copies of all data we'll block, and we'll just select again OneDrive for Business and SharePoint. Receive data from other apps. Again, we'll leave that set up as all apps, that's data coming in from other apps. Copy and paste between other apps is policy managed apps only. Screen capture and Google Assistant, so that you'll notice is a slight difference to the iOS device, where you can actually stop the device being able to do a screen capture. Definitely worth blocking that. It's a functionality that's only available on Android. Unfortunately, it's not available on an iOS device. So we'll block that. Encrypt all data on enrolled devices. Sync data with native contacts will allow and then block. Restrict web content transfer, and again we'll look at Microsoft Edge as the application, and then it's up to you whether you choose to allow organisational data notifications. So if we click next, we'll still leave the pins as required. Numeric allow, we change this to 6. Fingerprints allow, overwrite fingerprints require, and again we'll just generally leave the defaults here as good sort of baseline recommendation. Jailbroken rooted devices we'll leave as blocked, of course, that's absolutely good policy. We'll do a minimum OS version, and again 8.0 is a good version for Android devices, and if it doesn't meet those requirements then we will block access. Click next and select groups to include, and we will then look at our 365 security MAM group. There's a group to approve, and a group to exclude will be our 365 security MAM bypass group. So select those two groups, click next. Again, you can have a review of the policy and then create the policy. So we've now successfully created a policy for iOS and our policy for MAM.